very good afternoon to all my dear students. I hope you all are safe, maintaining social distancing, washing your hands properly. Stay home, stay safe. My name is Ankita Sharma. I'm going to teach you maths and we're going to start with the revision of all the things that we have learned in the previous classes. So the first chapter is about review of numbers up to 999. Okay, so in the previous classes we have learned 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and also 4-digit numbers. In this chapter we're going to revise all the things that we have learned in the previous classes. Okay, so they have given we use the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to write numbers. Yes, with the help of these numbers we write the numbers in the counting, and we have learned all the numbers with the help of these numbers. Numbers that have one or more digits. Now what are digits? See, if I'm writing a number 2, 3 and 6. So the group of numbers is called a numeral. The group of numbers or the combination of one or more numbers combinedly called a numeral. If we talk about these numbers individually, they are called digits. Means individually 2 is a digit, 3 is another digit and 6 is also a digit. So these are digits. So we can say 1 is a 1-digit number, 42 is a 2-digit number and 343 is a 3-digit number. So this is how we count the number of digits in a numeral. Now we're going to start exercise first A. The first question is fill in. The smallest 1-digit number is 0. The largest 1-digit number is 9. After 9 it comes 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. That is why we can say the largest 1-digit number is 9. Next question is the largest 2-digit number is 99. The largest 2-digit number is 99. The greatest number with 2 digit is 99. They're asking the smallest 2-digit number. They're asking about the smallest 2-digit number, which is 10. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. The series of a 2-digit number starts from 10. Above 10, all the numbers from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9 is a 1-digit numbers. Next question is the smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The number before 100 is 99, which is a 2-digit number. The 3-digit number starts from 100. So the first number which is starting from a 3-digit is 100. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. After 999 it comes 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number. So a series of 4-digit numbers starts from 1000. So the greatest and the largest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, next question is we have to write the countings 461 to 480. We have to write the numbers from 461. Next number after 461 would be 462. The next number would be 463. Next number is 464. Then 465, 466, 467. Next number is 468. Next number is 469. Next number is 470. Now 470, after 470 it comes 471. Then 472. Then 473. Then 474. Next number is 475. After it Next number is 476, then 477, then 478, then 479 and 480. After 479 it will come 480. Now likewise we have to write the numbers 891 to 990. I think that that is easy for you. You can write the numbers from 891 to 910. Okay, the next question is fill in. We have to write the numbers which are left in between, or which are we are going to write after 527 in the first question. 527, the next number after it will be 528, then 529, 530, 531, 532, 533. Okay, next series is 782 is given, 783 is given. The next number we have to write, which is 784. Next number is 785. After it will come 786, then 787, 788, 789 and 790. Next series is starting from 352. Next number they have given already, 351, 350. Okay, so we have to write the numbers which comes before. We have to continue with the series which comes before 350. The previous number of 350 is 349. They are going backward. We have to write the backward counting. 352, 351, 350. After it will come 349, 348, 347, 346, 345 and 344. The next exercise, which is 1B, here we are going to learn about the place values of the digits in the numeral. It can be easily understood with the help of these examples given here. One block is given, a single block is given, which they are calling it 1. Next, a bar of 10 ones is given. A bar of 10 ones is given. So 10 ones, which is a combination of 10 ones, which is equals to 110. Now in the next figure they have given the 10 bars of 10 tens. The 10 bars of 10 tens means these bars are a combination of 100 ones. Now it is called 100. Example is they have given 3 hundreds, a combination of 30 tens. 30 tens we can call it 3 hundreds. No examples, no bars of tens have given here, and two blocks individually are called 2 ones. So with the place value it is 300. Tens is not there, so it will be 0, and 2 ones, that is 2. Combinedly with the place value, the number I have given, it become 302. We'll move on to the exercises. First question is write the numbers. Write the numbers. See, one block, each bar contains 10 ones. Each bar contains 10 ones, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bars of 10 ones. 5 bar of 10 ones, that means it will become 5 10, and it would be 3 ones, that is 3 ones. 5 tens means it is 50, and 3 ones means 3, that means it will be 53. Next question, it has two boxes which contain 100 small boxes each, so that one box combinedly it is called 100 and two boxes will be called 200. 3 bars of 10 ones is given, that would be 3 tens and 3 ones. It would be 200 plus 3 tens, that means 30, 3 ones, that would be 3. Now in the next question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes have given. Each box have 100 sub boxes, means each box we can call it 100 boxes. Each box has 100 sub boxes. Each box have, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes, that means 500 plus 2 bars of 10 ones have given. We'll write it 2 tens and 5 ones. It will be 500 plus 20 plus 5. Now with the help of these questions, we are writing the numbers with the place values with the help of these boxes and the bars. Next question is fill in. We have to write the place values of the number here. First question is 8, 5 and 3. The place value of 3 would be ones, the place value of 5 would be tens, and the place value of 8 would be hundreds. Same as the place value of here 123 is given. The place value of 3, ones place is of 3. The number which is on the tens place is 2 and the number which is on the 100 place is 1. Next number given is 362. Okay, so the number which will come on ones place is 2. The number on the tens place will be 6 and the number on the 100 place will be 3. Next question 75 is given. The next number is 75. The number which would be on the ones place is 5 and the tens place would be 7. No number is given on the hundreds place. We can write 0 here. Next number is 108. The number on the ones place is 8. The number on the tens place is 0 and the number on the hundreds place is 1. Next question is 941. The number which would be on the ones place is 1. The number on the tens place is 4 and the number on the hundreds place is 9. Likewise, we'll solve the questions. Next. Okay, so the next question is write in the short form. They have given the numbers in expanded form and we have to write their short form. First question they have solved for us. 200 plus 10 plus 8. The answer would be 218. Next number is 300 plus 40 plus 5. The answer would be here is 345. 5 would be on the ones place, 4 would be on the tens place and the 3 would be on the hundreds place. We know that here it is given in the question. 300 means 3 with the hundreds place I have given. 40 that means 4 with the tens place and 5 with the ones place here. Next question is 400 plus 0 plus 8. That would be 408. 8 is given on the ones place. No number is given on the tens place. We cannot leave it as it is given, so we have to write it 0 here. Next number is 400 which is on the hundreds place, so we are writing it on the hundreds place. Next number is 60 plus 3. The answer would be 63. No number is given on the hundreds place here. Next question is 800 plus 20 plus 0. That means 820. The number on the ones place is 0. The number on the tens place is 2. 2 tens. The number on the hundreds place is 100. 800. So the number it become 820. Next question is write in the expanded form. First question they have solved for us 932. In the expanded form we have to write the numbers with their place value. See, 9 is on the hundreds place, it has written 900. 3 is on the tens place, it has written 30 and 2 is on the ones place, it has written 2 here. Now likewise in the next question, 753, 7 is given on the hundreds place, we'll write it 700, plus 5 is given on the tens place, we'll write it 50, and 3 is given on the ones place, we'll write it 3. The next question is 39C. No number here is given on the hundreds place. Only till tens place we have got the numbers. So 3 is on the tens place, we'll write it 30, and 9 is on the ones place, we'll write it 9. The next question is 104. So 1 is on the hundreds place, we'll write it 100. No number is given, instead of any number 0 has given, we'll write 0 on the tens place, and 4 is on the ones place. Next question is 690. 6 is given on the hundreds place, 9 is given on the tens place, and 0 is given on the hundreds place. Next exercise is first C. The first question is fill in. In this question a box has given, some numbers has given, and we have to write the numbers individually with their place values. Every number we have to write with its place value. First question they have solved for us. First number is 276. Digit is 2. The place value of 2 is 100. So we are writing it 200. Next number is 7. The place value for 7 is tens. So we are writing it here 7 tens, that means 70. Next, the place value of 6 is ones, so we are writing it 6 ones. Next question I'll solve for you. 672. First digit they have given 6. We have to write it with the place value. It would be 600. Next digit is 7. The place value of 7 is tens. I'll write it 70. Okay. So now place value of 2. Place value of 2 is ones. So we'll write it 2 here. $726. The place value of 6. The place value of 6 is ones here. So we'll write it 6. The place value of digit they are asking 7. The place value of 7 is hundreds. So we'll write it 700. And the place value of 2 here is tens. We'll write it 20. Now the next question is 67. The place value for the digit 6 they are asking, it is 6 tens, that means 60. And the place value of 7 is 7 ones, that means 7. 983. The place value of 9 here. The place value of 9 here 100. First they are asking about the place value of 8. The place value of 8 is 8 tens. We'll write it 80. 9, the place value of 9 is 900s. We'll write it 900, and the place value of 3 is ones. We'll write it 3. Next question is 435. The first digit they're asking about is 4. The place value of 4 in the number is 400. The place value of 3 in the number is 3 tens, that means 30. And the place value of 5 here is 5 ones, that means it is 5. Next question is 102. So the first digit they're asking about is 1. 1 is on the hundreds place. We'll write it 100. 0 is on the tens place. So no place value we can give in to the 0 individually. We'll write it 0 here. The place value of 2 is 1. So we'll write it 2. Okay. Next question is about write in words. We have to write the numbers in words. We have to write their names. First question they have solved for us. 732. We have to write it in we have to write the numbers. We have to write the names of the numbers given. 732. Next number is 463. We have to write its name. That would be 463. Next question is 158. We have to write the name here. That would be 158. Next question they have given 601. We'll write the name 601. In this way we can write the names of all the numbers given here. Will be 80. 169, the next number after it will be 170. 200.